So gentlemen, you all are clear and you are aware that today we have got a PPDT, which stands for Picture Perception and Description Test, not Discussion Test. Okay, many of you understand Discussion Test. It's not Discussion Test, it's a Description Test, right? So in this you all are aware that you will be shown a picture. Okay, and once you are shown a picture, thereafter you are supposed to identify number of characters there in the picture and what as per you might be the age, sex, mood of the characters and what you feel is happening in the picture. Please you know what is happening in the picture and thereafter what as per you might have led to that situation in the picture and what might be the likely outcome of that situation. Now keeping these things in mind, you go to making a story and that you are going to write on a piece of paper which you are having with you. Alright, and once you have written the story and for the time duration, you will be shown the picture for 30 seconds and thereafter you will be given 4.5 minutes for writing a story about that picture. Okay, after 5 minutes this written work of yours will be taken back. Okay, and thereafter we will go to the second part of the test, which happens to be the again consisting of two parts. One is the individual narration of the story and thereafter having a discussion to make a group story. So firstly we will make you sit in a, since you are 21 only, no issue, we may have 10 group or maybe 21 group in the one go on. Okay, thereafter we will be made to sit inside and one by one we will hear the story of each individual. We start with the person sitting leftmost, which will happen to be the smallest number, chest number, right? He will get, on being told, he will get up and start narrating his story. And moment he finishes his story, next person automatically will take on. Only the condition is that he, speaker is supposed to take only 1 minute to give his story. Okay, and there is no requirement for you to exchange pleasantries with the assessors. You just get up and narrate your story to the rest of the member of the group. Once you finish on, next person will start. I will carry on like this till such time we hear the last person of the group. Okay, language you all are clear. What is supposed to be language? English. Not Arabic, okay? It should be English only. In case you find difficulty or some of you get stuck at any point of time, you can speak in Hindi but try to get back to English as soon as possible. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. What else? No pleasantry, salutation is not required. While narrating the story, you got to be doing it to the group members. Okay. Once we have heard everybody's story, then we will go to the second part of the test, which is the discussion phase. While discussing, you can pick up various good parts of the story that might have been given by the previous speakers to make a group story. At the end of the discussion, one of you will get up and narrate the group story on behalf of the group to the assessors. So this is in brief is the test today. Any question or clarification? All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then we are ready to see the picture.
Gentlemen, from the picture I can perceive one character. He is 23-year-old and he is in positive mood. So Rohit was a 23-year-old. He is in positive mood. He is a student of BSc from Lucknow University. One day while going to his college, he saw that the streets of the colony were stuck with plastic waste and garbage. So he decided to raise an awareness program for hygiene and cleanliness. With his friends, he decided to organize an event and told people about Swachh Bharat mission, and he also advised people to use 2 dustbins, one for biodegradable waste and other for non-biodegradable. After he advised, many people got influence from him, and after few days the colony got clean.
In the picture, I perceive 2 characters, one male and another female. Both are in the positive mood. The male is of 19 years of age and the female is 40 years of age. The male is the main character of my story. His name is Ramesh. He has volunteered to prepare for his sister's wedding, who is his elder sister. So for this activity, in a room, he discusses with his mother the set of actions which should be planned and taken care of. So he takes his sister for shopping and then he goes with his father and brother for booking the caters and tents. Then he also checks for a good wedding hall and also books it, and also arranges for the vehicles which would take the relatives to that particular place. Then he also makes the wedding card, and with his friends he goes to distribute them to his relatives and friends. Later on in the wedding, he enjoys with his family a lot. He sings and dances. I would like to add the point that along with enjoying in the wedding, he also took care of the various arrangements which he made earlier. And the wedding went well, and everyone enjoyed it very well. And Ramesh also felt very motivated after completing the task properly. And his sister was also quite happy with his efforts. Thank you.
I perceive one character from the given picture, and the theme of my story is making houses on the outskirts of the city. Raghav, 22-year-old boy in his positive mood, working in a Red Spot NGO. Once he noticed on the outskirts of the city there are jhugarpattis. Then he talked to the head of his NGO and asked him to give permission by the collaboration with the government funds and government scheme. He want to make houses with the help of the other team members of the NGO. Then he surveyed the area and calculated that how much area can be covered in one time, and the people of that area shifted to the NGO, and also the males also the members of the jhugarpattis worked as an employer in the housemaking. By the proper planning and the team effort, Raghav continued the work and prepared the houses.
From the picture flashed, I perceived one character, male, and it was the age of 25, and he was in positive mood. The theme of my story is helping others. Suyash, 25, a biotech student of Lucknow University, did also a job online from an editing company. Also he gave home tuitions to save some money for his future. Then from his income he saved the money, and one day he decided to fix it as a fixed deposit in the bank. So he took a half-day leave from his college and went to the bank. He has a bank account in State Bank of India, Chandanagar branch. So he reached there. On reaching inside, he observed that a lady had a problem in filling the forms. So he approached her and inquired if she needed any help. On telling that she needed help, he helped her, filled her forms and gave her. She thanked him and acknowledged his knowledge. Then I would like to add 2 points. Then he filled his own forms also, made his fixed deposit, took all the forms, necessary forms, and then reached the college on time and reported to the seniors. Thank you.
I perceive two characters from the story, one male and one female, and the central character of my story is Rohan. So Rohan, 24 years old, government employee, went to his office in the month of July. Then suddenly rain burst came, and it was heavy weather and heavy rain was happening. Suddenly a call came from his home, and he was acknowledged that his sister had fallen sick. So he had to went home in that weather conditions. So he started his journey, went home, called the ambulance, and hospitalized his sister, and then after some days, when his sister came home, he counseled her and told that to take care of his health.
I observed two characters. One is male and one is female. Male age is 20 and female is 60. Both are in positive mood. My central character is Ayush, 20. While returning from Ayush, an engineering student, while returning from college, he observed a woman struggling to walk. So he inquired her and asked about the problem. She told that she had problem in her knee. So he asked about her address and her details, and then he finally took her to the home. Finally, he also brought medicines for knee and take care of her, and finally went home. Thank you.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. Both are in positive moods, one male and one female. Male age of 20 and female age of 35. The action of my story is preparing for our upcoming graduation examination, entrance examination with the help of librarian. Ujjwal, a 20-year-old boy who has just passed his class 12th and is preparing for graduation as he don't have the adequate material to prepare, so he took the initiation and went to his school so that he could took the permission from his principal to start preparing in his library and with the help of librarian. As he got the permission, he started visiting to the library and start preparing for the upcoming examination. With his hard work and determination, he scored good and got a good college, admission in good college. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I perceived one character in the picture. His mood was positive. His age was 22 years and his name was Aman. Aman was a DM in one of the e-vehicle corporation limited in Bangalore. He had a plan to launch an efficient e-bike in the market that will provide employment also and the cost, and also win the cost benefit to the people. For that, he discussed to his team and find the best possible ways to do that. He also addressed the idea to include the indigenously being made lithium ion battery and all the basic raw materials being indigenously produced in his own factory only. He also gave people the incentives and the subsidies according to the government e-vehicle scheme. Finally, he launched his e-bike and that was a huge success to his company.
Gentlemen, in the given picture, I have perceived mainly one character who is male, whose age is about 20 years and whose mood is positive. An action of my story, distribution of food packets to the beggar. Aman, who is a BSc second year student, when his birthday was coming, he decided to continue distributing food packets to the beggar on the bus stand. He took help of his two friends and decided to use all his savings of the years, and after that, on the birthday, he along with his friend went to the market, bought the food packets and distributed to the beggars on the bus stand, and after that came back to his home and celebrated birthday with his family and friends. He felt happy and motivated with this job and decided to continue the job in the next upcoming years. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived one character from the story whose age is 21 and mood positive. So Rahul Rahul, 21 age, mood positive, has joined a new job as a property seller to benefit his own company and the seller. So it was his first day, so he was taken by his senior to some different properties, and the senior told him that how to convince the customers, how to tell about the accessories of the property and that all. And so he went home, researched about it, and he also listened to every word of his senior carefully, and also learned tactics of selling through YouTube and Google. And within 2 days, he was able to sell a bungalow to a customer. A customer was highly convinced as he told him all about the bungalow. He showed him the gardens. He convinced him about the bathroom accessories and tiles and walls and everything. So he got a lot of appreciation from his company, and in some days he was able to increase his sales, and he became a successful seller.
In the given picture, I have perceived one male character, 25-year-old. He is a soldier and he was going on leave. He went on the railway station for boarding his train. He saw at the railway station that there were too many luggage and people were lying down on the ground. So he inquired to the people why these people are laying down on the ground and their luggage are on the ground. So he got to find that they were not aware about the COVID protocols and other waiting areas. So he went to their everyone and individually and make them aware about the COVID protocols and advise them to maintain the social distancing, and also make them aware about the waiting area on the which is located in the each railway stations. So that's how people get influenced and they followed the COVID-19 protocols, and and then after he went to his destination. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. As per shown the picture to us, there is one male character and the age group of him is 18 year and he is in positive mood. The action of my story is coming home after getting recommendation in SSB. My story: Rohan, who passed recently 12th, and his aim was to join army. So he prepared for written examination. He took help from YouTube and also took help from seniors. He made proper strategy and he cleared written examination. And now he wanted to clear SSB. So he took help from retired army officer and he took advices from him, and from his help he cleared SSB, and he thanked to his sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, friends. I perceive a male character of 32-year-old. His name is Ramesh Chand. He is a district minister of Mumbai. My story's theme is the well-being for the childrens and peoples that live in the slum area of Mumbai. One day, Ramesh, going besides the slum area of Dharavi of Mumbai, he saw students of childrens of
Friends, from the given picture, I have perceived one character, that is male, is in positive mood. Action of my story is to organize the football match. My story goes like this: Sumit, 18 years old, captain of football team. On the occasion of Yoga Day, his class teacher gave him responsibility to organize the football match. He discussed with his friend and discussed with the class monitor of each class and make the proper list of each player, and also buy the cricket kit and rewards from the sports fund of school. He prepared hard for daily practice for the match with his team, and on the Yoga Day he performed well with his team, won the match, and after winning he organized a party too for the celebration of football team match, and enjoyed this journey. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. From the picture, I have perceived a male character. The hero of my story is Rishi, a 20-year-old graduate student. The action of my story is helping the elder peoples. So here goes my story. Rishi, a 20-year-old graduate student who was coming from his hostel to his hometown by train. When he dropped down at his station, he saw an old lady was running behind a train with his luggages and was about to leave his train. Then he rushed to the old lady and grabbed his bag and the small pouches that she was carrying and ran towards the train, and he said to the coach city to pull the train and stop the train. Then he goes into the train and keep the baggages and the luggages at the old lady's seat and make her to sit, and then he left to the hometown and he told the elder brother and sisters to help the old ladies and the old peoples where they get a chance. Thank you.
I have perceived one character, female, age 22, in positive mode. The action of my story is rebuilding the office. Sweta, 22-year-old HR manager of Sun Pharma, used to visit her office first in the morning. One day, when she reached the office, she saw that everything was lying on the floor in a very distorted manner. When inquired with the night guard, she found that there was a midnight earthquake and it was the consequences of all things. She immediately called other 4 members. She arranged all the things. She also told other 4 members to call the sweepers and get things cleaned. She also contacted to the architect or the architect of the company so as to give the office a new look as soon as possible. She covered all these in the emergency funds of the office. She also declared a 2-day leave to everybody so that the work should be completed as soon as possible. When everybody reached the office after the 2 days leave, everybody found office in a new look, and nobody could believe that it happened after an earthquake.
Friends, I perceive 2 male characters in the story, out of which Nitesh is my main character, who is 18-year-old and in a neutral mood. and my action of story is suggesting a rider to wear a helmet. And my story goes like that: Nitesh is a boy of Rampur village who went to market to buy a vegetable. But in the market scene, a fast rider surpassed him and surpassing with a very high speed. He stopped the rider and tell him to wear the helmet, and also tell him the advantage of helmet, that wearing helmet can save his life and also save it from the fine by the transport police. And he also tell him that over speeding is very dangerous for her and also the people present in the market. And after that he buy the vegetable and return back to his home.
Friends, from the given picture, I perceived one character and a group of people. The theme of my story is spreading awareness about the COVID pandemic on World Health Day. Ramesh, a BSc student of his college, along with his friends, went to seek the permission from the Lucknow Metro Corporation and organize a Nukkad Natak on the World Health Day for spreading awareness about COVID pandemic. He prepared the hoardings along with his friends, organized a Nukkad Natak in which he told the people the benefits of using N95 mask, washing hands regularly at regular intervals, and also also having the vaccination for the COVID-19. And also he told the people about the information about the booster dose that is available in today's scenario. With this, after the event, he went to the college along with his friends, and after that he pursued his studies.
Friends, I perceived one character from the picture who is male, of 24 years old, and is in positive mode. The theme of my story is clean drive under NSS project. My story goes like: Raj, a 24-year-old boy of NPGC college. He is a member of NSS project, and he got a project of clean drive. So he surveyed a railway station, the area of railway station where he found that he surveyed that area along with his 4 members also, where he found that there is a lot of garbage there. For the first day he surveyed all the things what he need to do and what he need to collect to clean that garbage. Then for the second day he asked his one of the member to create some hoardings or kind of pamphlets which will aware the railway station members and the visitors there that you should not throw the garbage on the railway station or in that area. And then with other members he asked to clean that area using the baggage and pouches they got. And moreover, I like to add that after this cleanliness drive, he went back to his college, submitted the report to his NSS instructor, and finally got appreciation from them.
I perceived one character who's male, 21 years. The action of my story is choose armed forces as a career option. Aman was the student of Gomti Inter College, Lucknow. After completing his class 12th, he gave exam NDA. He cleared it. He went for training. After completing his training, he returned back his home. He saw some student of his colony was confused his career option. He motivated him for joined armed forces as a career option.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive one character in my story. Manish, 18-year-old, is the main character of my story. He is the sport captain of his school. One day, his class teacher told him that the race competition to be held in his school within a week. He get the opportunity to organize the event. After that, he made a visit with his 2 friends and collect the fund from the school office. After that, he bought the trophies and other many things for the event, and beside it, he also prepared for his race competition. On the event day, he also prepared the ground of the college, and the race competition conducted successfully, and he won the gold in the race competition.
So we can take it like some event is being organized in the presence of COVID-19 and the vaccines are about to be taken out. Yes, but everyone is not taking the vaccine.
Okay, pay attention here, gentlemen. Just to facilitate your discussion, we will divide your group into two parts, right? So from 1382 to 137 will be one group, and 139 to 175 will be the second group. So we'll hear the second group first. Chalo.
From the background that it was like a railway station.
Now discussing the tasking. Okay. First, spreading the awareness about COVID-19 in the market and how we first point. Some posters also. He also got help of some NGOs, so we can include that also. Social media platform you can use that also. And also we can do we can fans or friends also use of mask and mask were not having on the awareness about how we sanitization. Both the vaccines and also about the booster dose. Booster dose for elderly people. Okay, we'll like that.
Okay, so final story would be that there is a scene of railway station and there is a awareness.
Okay, right. That's also.
About the pending scene, so we should go with that as well. Ideas about the
vaccines are out, but everyone is not vaccinated.
Okay,
and we should make a theme on COVID. Vaccinated before
Students can also make people aware about hygiene and social distancing.
Chess number 145. He got some idea that
students got the project from his college, and they are wearing on the, we can say that the marketplace or some railway
marketplace
would be better. They are organizing and awareness.
We can take the point of chess number 168 that Nukkad Natak is being performed to spread awareness about that.
We can add that. We can say that and does help in a hot.
Okay,
yes, through which they can spread awareness about sanitizer.
If it's written over the marketplace and all marketplace being aware
I think we can
about the
consider
plastic
a
use
big
and-
mall where there is all and they are spreading ideas.
A big mall will not be covered because we have to
Yes, they were aware about it.
But the marketplace will be more good because the more local people
All the
will be there.
people can be seen there. That will be also.
144 is correct.
Okay, right, gentlemen. Last 2 minutes for you to make a now group story together, all together, right?
So,
Yes, we should include his 138 point also that he has distributed pamphlets
They
also motivated people and the businessmen to work from home.
and they also
Okay, right, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, your time is up. Have you made a good story?
Yes, sir.
So let's hear it.
May I go with the story?
Group numbers, can
One of you two
Can I
can
go?
give it.
Can I go?
144 narrated well, so I suggest her. So we should thank you group members for nominating me. So in our common group story, we have decided that there is a boy who is the main character of our story, and we have taken his name as Ramesh. He, along with his friends, have volunteered in spreading awareness about the COVID vaccine in a marketplace. So for that purpose, he has gathered his friends and performed a Nukkad Natak. He distributed some pamphlets and advised people to maintain social distancing, told about the positive effects. He also told about the vaccines which are available right now, such as the booster vaccine, which should be taken by them before a given period of time to keep themselves safe about it. The Natak and the awareness program went well, and the market people were very much influenced and got to know various things about this program from this performance. Also, Ramesh and his friends felt accomplished and motivated by this task, and they decided to do such things in the future as well. Thank you.
Okay. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.